Greetings, I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. And peace, and I send you my peace. And gratitude, I send you my gratitude. The divine in me, the great the divine in me. Before we start today's reading from the Ashtar command, I ask you kindly to make a conscious breath, imagining, inhaling light into your mouth and then exhaling out darkness uh, uh, out of your mouth. Let's do it together. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. I keep on reminding you that you did not come here to work for heaven. Your true nature sits in heaven, and that is your higher self. When you got here, you were reprogrammed using the ego mind, thinking that you came here to work for heaven. But in reality, the mission of every soul is to bring heaven onto the world that it manifests it on. So your mission, me and you, is to bring heaven on earth. Please discover the divinity within you. Greetings from the Ashtar command. Much is asked about our arrival, how it will be, and what it will cause worldwide when we can finally make our display to greet everyone with wishes of peace and a new era. Obviously, there are still those who do not wish for our arrival, as it is inevitably causes a change in all forms of life and corrupts of what is considered normal. Moreover, there will be a break in beliefs, and the ways they understand love and brotherhood will be shaken, because what we will inform will discontinue the ways they have understood certain things for the last 26,000 years. As we have already mentioned in our messages, the disclosure plan, we are planning the ground with small displays to see people's reaction. What greatly encouraged us was the fact that there was more excitement than opposition. This obviously also frustrated those who wish to keep you in ignorance about what lies beyond the veil. This is a long-standing struggle. When we send our emissaries to various points around the world to warn your leaders that we are present and that there is nothing they can do to change that, our main threat is coming from a central. Our main fleet is coming from a central base located in a certain space of existence, and our main mothership is 6 times the size of Jupiter. Obviously, it is impossible to enter your solar system with this ship without causing a significant disrupt to the orbits of the planets present. Therefore, we have created a plan which is constantly updated and adjusted, but always maintains the basic line of manifestation. This plan is underway and includes, obviously, the disclosure plan explained previously by us, as well as what we will discuss next. We showed Navy and asked for images to be taken to exemplify well how the first moments of first contact will be. Considering also that our ongoing initial displays are just preparing the ground for our official arrival, it's worthy noting that when we officially arrive, there will be no doubt about it, as we will station a large mothership that will be visible to everyone, leaving no room for doubt. And yes, some of your readers will try to attack us. which is obviously fertile. They will set up camps and aim at us, which is also fertile. A good ex, a good approximation of how we were alive was well represented in the movie Alive. As we said, our main mothership is 6 times the size of Jupiter. We will station it just before the Kushpa belt and send send a smaller mothership 3 times the size of your local moon into the solar system, the Alive plan. Our secondary mothership will initially stay 150 miles from the Earth, just before the Sun, which is 150 miles away. Obviously, due to its small size compared to the Sun, it will be invisible to the naked. It will be invisible to the naked eyes, and obviously by the sun brightness, and obituated by the sun brightness. Later, we will be authorized to move from 120 miles to 120 million miles, kilometers, I mean, to 120,000 kilometers, much closer than your local moon, which is 384,000 kilometers away. At this point, there will be a great agitation in the hearts of those observing us, including your leaders. For those who see us as allies, there is nothing to fear. But for those who are reluctant to admit our presence to the masses and wish to maintain their beliefs, it will be distressing. From the surface perspective, you will see us like this. This moment is not under our jurisdiction, nor do we have any intention to violate the programs and the orders of events established by the masters overseeing this mission. However, we can say that just as you know rain is coming from the sky filled with clouds, just as you know night will fall when the sun sets, just as you know dawn will break when the first light appears, you can have an idea of the threshold of how these events, including the great agitation and despair of those who for millions have disrupted the development of the human species on Earth. While this has not happened yet, continue to live with love and brotherhood, for you have also been warned by the Master guiding our mission. Play and watch. Friends of Earth, for millions you have lived in darkness of ignorance about how grand life is and how blessed it can be. When you can finally travel through space, assist other creatures across the cosmos, and be free again, you will see that everything you went through on Earth was just a spark, considering the blessing you will obtain from such a dedication or missionary commitment. We do not in any way wish to belittle what you experience on Earth, nor to make an apology for suffering. But we emphasize the blessing that are approaching you as a merit of so much work and dedication. You will find yourself enveloped in so much love, break, and peace that everything you experience on earth will be just a distant memory, but no less important in the face of a grander plan that is already dawning in your horizon. Believe in this, for it is inevitably true. there are still those who consider themselves the most important people to have ever existed on earth, in a pride and arrogant, oiled by pride and preconception, when they gave themselves the title of enlightened holders of sovereign, where they thought they could, in this belief, enslave other human beings. The Illuminati now see an empire they considered inevitable crumbling, or indestructible crumbling. When they saw the size of our main ship approaching, they feared, and perhaps they had a hint of liquidity and humility to realize that they are nothing compared to the grandeur of the cosmetic comforting their egos. This is an official message from the Ashtar Command through Navy. Listen to the voice of Ashtar Command at this moment, transmitting this truth as we witness the moment to be together. The vibration of Earth continues to increase while alliances continue to form, and disclosure is pushed to the tables and cross debates on your rulers. Soon you will know that the UN has locked itself away, not allowing the media to be present when, in fact, they will internally discuss what they can do as it becomes unsustainable to withhold the truth of our existence. We will increase crop circles worldwide, increase our visibility in the sky, and also increase interference in your communication means, where you might hear voices emitted by our ships in the Earth's lower orbits. We will be more present in your nighttime dreams, and cessation of being observed will increase. To the leaders, we say we will see how much longer you can bear without speaking the truth. We now embrace Earth with all our love and truth, because truly any planet would fit in our heart. Adonai.